How to get Instacart coupons. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser that you use for searching. Once you are in, use the search bar to find the Instacart coupon codes. Once you get the search results, find a website that provides best deals on Instacart. Once you find the website, click on the URL to open the website. Here you will find different deals and offers that provide discount. So select one that you find best and a pop-up will appear on the screen with discount code. Simply copy this code and then tap on the shop to open Instacart website or open mobile app for shopping. Log into your account or when you complete shopping, while you are going to check out, apply the copied coupon code for discount on total amount. And that's it. This is how you can get Instacart coupon codes. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.